What is up, you guys? So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial. Like, what? What? Yeah, so today I'm doing a glitter cut crease makeup tutorial. I know I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a really long time, so hopefully you guys will like this video, and let's get started. So I'm gonna start off by taking my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I'm taking that raw sienna shade and I'm gonna use that as a transition color. So I'm basically putting that all over my crease. Next, I'm taking that CYPRUS Umber shade, which is a dark brown shade, and basically putting it on top of the first shade. This will basically just deepen the color and add more depth. And just making sure that everything's blended perfectly. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, light neutral, and what I like to do is actually put a little bit on my lid and basically look up and let the lid itself work and show you where your natural crease line is. And then I'm basically just outlining the rest, and I'm doing a half cut crease, so I'm trying to blend the end so it's not harsh. And then I'm taking a little bit of that dark brown shade again to kind of help blend. Next, I'm taking that Venetian red shade. Because I'm going to do pink glitters, I wanted a little bit of like pink eyeshadow on my lid, especially where it ends, so it's all seamless. I'm going to take my Essence Glitter Primer. You can also use other primers or glitter glue or even like lash glue. And I'm putting that where I cut my crease, and I want it to be precise so that when we put the glitter, it's gonna be like a sharp edge. Next, I'm taking this pink glitter from MAC, and I'm carefully putting the glitter on my lids. And I'm basically just doing it until I'm happy with how it looks. And if you need more glue, like you would basically just add a little bit more and add more glitter. Just taking that Venetian red color again and help blend the edge of the cut crease with the glitter and the eyeshadow. Oh, I just added more because like I can see a little bit of the concealer still, so yeah. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Sex Skin Liquid Liner. This is basically the eyeliner that I use on a daily basis, and I regularly line my eyes. This is what I do every single day. I do a little bit of a wing. Now I'm taking that Tempera shade and putting it on my brow bone just to help highlight it a little bit. Now I'm taking that shade Vermeer and I'm using that on my inner corners. I always love that like glowy like shade on your inner corners, because then like I like how it brightens up your eyes. Now I'm just gonna take the two transition and like crease colors that we use, and I'm gonna put that like underneath my eyes to complete the look. And pro tip, while you're waiting for your lash glue to get tacky, I like to wiggle it so that it keeps that shape, because then when the lashes are straight, it's hard to stick to your eyes. And then what's going to end up happen is it'll lift up eventually, starting from like the corners. These lashes, not gonna lie, are a little bit too much for me. Like I wouldn't really wear this much often. But I think with like a cut crease makeup look, I needed like a dramatic pair of lashes. And I'm just taking a regular mascara to put on my lower lashes. I don't wear mascara if I already have false lashes. I don't know if that's just me. I know a lot of people do, and I do it for my clients as well. So here's the finished look. Hope you guys like it, and I hope that was very easy to follow along through. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you want more videos like this, then give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below that you do like more tutorials like this. And hopefully you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!